morning, it's time to drink the chocolate. The cocoa. Ano sa sa Bisaya? What's called in Bisaya? Cocoa. Tablia.
Asa man di ay?
And Raquel also are packing chocolate.
Nakurapod no? Mao.
Ada ko tayo na.
This one, no? This is the real from, this is from the farm. Oh, man na. Dali na.
Tapos na?
Oh. Lansones. Big lansones. Look at my face. And the lansones. What's called it?
Ganahan ni Sir Sir Ana.
Chocolate? Cocoa? Ikaw? Chocolate? Chocolate.
Gusto lang
Ah,
niya
chocolate.
makita.
Let's drink chocolate from that one. And now they repacking this one. Sinak, introduce that nak. Tablia. Cocoa, chocolate.
Pwede kaya ito tanaw nito kay naalagay na ito mo ko.
Ada patanaw sa. Ada ha. Mesin ko kita sa.
Wanna turn camera so that you can see.
Ayaw ko na. Nidad lang no.
Man, Apollo, ma.
You can see
Samad ka da.
the real one. This is from the cocoa tree. They process, they cook, they dry, they cook, and
Daghan tong isa.
Kulang ni atong silupin. Magpalat mo niya lang sa square dungag.
Nani dayo.
Asa to?
so now my daughter and Baday was helped.
Huwag man eh.
Ay pala bigunit sa kamot kay mo tunaw init ra baron. Gabi man na dapat patkol.
Gamay lang. Gamay lang kung kuan na butang sa rep.
Ha?
Kuan din. Na.
Kuan ko din niya. Ayaw Baday. Baday, kalami agad ni mo Baday.
Kay magtiil baday.
Lang katapad kayo sa iyong giinom.
Go na mo sa nina, sayang tayo. Ngira daghan bitag tubig diha.
Para di ito.
Adik ko, anay kay natunaw na.
Utang man dahil mo sa ref. Huntay mo, pagdikan mo gud sa ref ni siya. Pat wala sa ni mo ref kay mutunaw siya pag di ka bugnaw.
Natunaw man siya
Niya,
pag
minangahid.
Mugay nga butang sa rep.
Original Toblia. Cacao.
Ikan man sa rep dito.
Cocoa, chocolate cocoa.
Mana. Ma, nakaisa na ka.
Okay.
Kabalong.
Now go Ariel, you know how to repack that?
Yeah.
Baday, I see.
Uy, kato lagi na sa
Nakaduwa na ka.
Humana daw niya. Ipakita
Well,
daw ako.
Pizza Lolo.
nangaon ta og chocolate
Harap,
molon nga.
Te.
Nga, malagkit.
Dili kanang kalamay.
Chocolate, lanay.
Chocolate
Mali
molon
na
na
kasi
lasang kalamay.
Chocolate lanay. My
Pero
sister
lami man
wants
siya.
chocolate lanay.
Pero lami man siya.
Ma, mali. Oh, iya po. Pinamali man.
Ah,
Let's try chocolate lanay. It's made from sweet. I was called that sticky rice. Chocolate lanay. Now she's eating chocolate lanay and she's drinking
lamig
chocolate.
siya pero kuan.
Cocoa. Cacao, tablia.
Pan lang siya lanay lang na.
Lanay.
May unsa tawag sa mi?
Lanay.
Ugong na kayo na.
Kalamay.
Kalamay.
Oh, it tastes like kalamay.
Pero lami siya.
Oh,
No.
lami,
Pero
delicious.
man nagtimpla na pa.
Saysat,
Tama
how
rin
many
yung
pieces
timpla
you
kita.
have in one pack?
Kay manaw.
How many pieces you have in one packet? 12 pieces?
12.
Okay, 12 pieces in
Kuan,
one pack.
Tama.
They are for sale this one.
Kaya ang lasa
Sabi
yun niya
niya.
ay kalamay lang, pero lamig gihapon. Kami tanong.
No, this is not for sale today. Because this is
Kapoy kay Nickel.
my sister bring
Kapoy
this one in
ngalay na
Manila. So good luck. Hope you can repack that all.
Lami kay ang tuno natin kay tulong.
Bye for now.
Yung kakao ni tanda isa.
Hala, ang ero na ang manok na nangaw.
So. Ay, ang manok niyo. Watay na inyong kapayas.
Now it's getting dark.
It's good.
And they are drinking.
Yung doon na ako nagtutulang kawayan kay
Drinking.
Red horse.
No, Sunmig or Red Horse? Red Horse. Oh, just Red Horse. They are my cousin, Jenny! Rudy! Roger! And my brother, Eric.
Maraming ano doon, may ahas dyan, dahil pagbaba natin may nakita ko eh.
Kanina?
Hindi nung dati pa,
Anong dati?
Now we go to
pati sa kabayan.
the...
Dagang kay bunga ang lansones.
Maganda nga yun. May
Bye for now.
ahas
See you
talaga dyan.
later. Hi guys! I'm back. We're go with my cousin and sister and Raquel. We're going to the river.
Time pa, manginom sa akong tubig. Ako'y bukuhon nun.
While waiting to my sister,
Ako'y butong.
we're sitting under the coconut coconut tree.
Gani, bugat Kristiyan eh. Si ate
Bugat
ganyan
selfie.
akong panili daw si Agda. Narat eh. Nang andad ni mo ugma. Ambot lang ang kabugat. Kani o pwede naman eh. O pwede na na. Kana pangarbisuno
again.
na.
Now,
Sunod o mga April.
let's join us. We're going to the river. If every time my family was get together, my cousins, sister, brother, we always get together here eating, and then usually we always swimming in the river. But now we're not swimming and we're not going to the river to swim, but we are going there to walk and tour and look something. We always want to go there. So now we are going to show you when we are going to show you where we always had bonding, less budget, and yeah, just bring a food and have picnic of your family. We always do like this. So let's go.
Come on.
Let's go to the river. Yeah. Yeah. It's blow color of the day. My cousin, sister, and Raquel was wearing blue. We are the blue girl. Blue girl, blue lady, blue everything. So join us. Oops, look at that. You should very careful to walk over going there. Over going there? What's that? Downstairs. Down. We are going down. Now. Down. Go down, down, down.
Down.
So we love to go there. Really bad. This is the family hotspot. Hotspot? I don't know. We always have picnic, washing clothes, swimming, shower in the river. We always do that. So, river hopping. So, river was that way. Now you can hear the voice there.
Yawa ni mo dong ay. Mura man kag-enjoy dong. Ah, na.
Oops. Ote! This is...
Oh, yan.
Ito yung halaman na...
Lagi din.
Ito yung pula.
Pula o puti.
We always say this. Somebody know this? This is a medicine.
Oh, din nate.
This is wild.
Daghan kay na dito.
Ah, okay. You want to show? This is wild. What's called this? You just eat that.
Insulin plant. This is the
Insulin plant. They said insulin plant that this is my second time to try the leaves. So let's try.
Parang hindi ito men. Yun.
It's different taste like there.
Yun. Mapakla. Kasi ang alam ko mapakla daw.
So
hindi
this
ito.
one is different. The
Hindi,
other one.
Hindi ito ang insulin. Yung pinatikim mo sa akin kanina, may yun yung insulin.
Oo nga, the taste is
Pakla.
different.
Oh, lami
Yun
man.
is little bit. The other one like this was little bit sweet and but this look like same. Well, just a try.
Ay, sinaw man to. Minaman na siya. Kuan me.
Ula ka dili na sa
Oo nga, it's different taste. Masarap yung pinatikim mo sa akin. O dahil
Yun talaga
bata
yung
pa yun.
insulin. Aman mo na po ka.
Eh, dahil bata, naalala ko doon sa balay lang. Now this is the river. Now we are here. So we always love to go here. This is always sometimes we wash clothes here and get swimming. Soon I will show you to have fun and swim here. So we have a small spot here that will always go swim there. I wanna go to show you. This way. Let's have a tour. The water is so clear. I'm trying to speak English so that all of you can understand because my language is Bisaya. But now I'm trying my best to talk with you guys English because I want to all that can understand. So this is the spot. This is low water now. But if we go swimming in the end of there, we put some rock, we put some wood to trap the water so that this water can make high. And it looks like a small swimming pool to swim. So look at that, the water. Did you see that? Soon I will make a video to swim with my family here, especially summer. And this one, if we trap the water there, this one until here have water. So this side, usually children's spot.
Ma, dili lalo ka.
Yeah, not so deep, anak. So I will love to have swimming here. So it looks like that. The water is so clean and natural.
Mama, gusto mo tumaligo dali mo ba? Mama,
So this is the tour for the river.
ma, gusto ko maligo dali mo ba? Ma, gusto ko maligo
And
dali.
let's go.
Go!
Let's go. Aral, she said she wants to go
Shower!
swimming. Shower. It's not shower, it's swimming. So, look at who's that at the top of the big stone. Say hi! Say hi! So, we love to stay there. Oops. Oops. There, at the top of the stone. So, they are there. Oh, lagi, wait. Hi muna. Hello! We are in the big stone. Big stone. So, they are there. Now, bye-bye for now. See you soon. They are need to take picture. So, bye. See you later. Go home. It's getting dark. Oops. Let's jump. They're going first because I have my selfie. Ah! Dirty! My hands are dirty! Now let's climb up. Oops. Oops. My cousin's looking on me. There. There. Ooh. 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 Oop. Oh, tired. We've been there. Down there.
Inhale, exhale.
Inhale. Exhale. Thank you for joining us today. Now, we had dinner later and then I go home with my daughter. So bye-bye.
Tarong di ha.
Wa mo dito tingog kay nakasuot ni.
Abi na ako.
Ang-
Ang akong picture.
Oh my god! Don't have because the headset was is on. Oh, what's that? This is nice here at the top of the stone. Look at that. There go. Bye-bye. You're going home. Bye.